Hello and welcome. I'm at Stuttgart CMT Trade Fair. Front of me I've got a Boxlife 600ME Platinum Selection campervan. This is a more or less standard Fiat Ducato campervan with a tent in the roof. Let's have a look inside. It's going to cost it's not going to cost that at all, 87,294, and that's just one of the technical details. It's all the same with all these ones, 6 meter van, 205 in width. Let's come inside. I mean, for this type of money though, well, for a Knaus campervan, that is a fair whack of cash. So this is what the view is. Now if that looks cluttered, do bear in mind we are at a trade fair and things do tend to get cluttered. You want to keep the plastic on the mattress because they want to sell it. In fact, Knaus Tablet has so much stuff which is unsold, it'll definitely be wanting to sell it. Let's have a look at the what's going on up here in the roof. So there you have the tent, what looks here. Now there are some brands now are doing insulated tents. This isn't one of them, and I certainly would want to see an insulated tent if I had to sleep in it. And this would be all right in the summer. Well, it might even be too hot in the summer. No, maybe I'm exaggerating, it won't be that bad. But I wouldn't want to sleep in here in the winter. Clever bit here though, it's got some sort of recessed areas to keep things you might want to have near you that you don't mind dropping down to the ground, such as your mobile phone. Right, and here we will find we've got a little access here to the some of the infrastructure, including the frost boiler protection valve. Here we have 2 burners and a sink, nothing unusual about that. There's a fridge down here, which, if memory serves me correctly, is from Dometic. I shall open it up like that so it gives you an idea what a fridge looks like. We've got here a tiny wardrobe, drawers under the sink kitchen block. We've got in here this rather large toilet, actually. I think really I quite like the toilets there too. I mean, obviously it's a matter of choice, but there's a major design fault here. And this is open. That's a place where you're going to be keeping soaps and things like that. And now, I don't like things open at all because I think they fall out. Nothing's going to fall out there, but water is, I think, I'm going to suggest, highly likely it's going to get in. So that's bad design. I like this thing here actually. I think there's keeping soaps in there. That's nice. Soap. I don't know if that's the intention, but I think it looks good. Here we've got a place to hang your socks on when they get in the night. And now let's come to the back. Right. So the bed here is it's elevated, isn't it? It's quite good, this. I like the bed. This is something I find very, very positive. I'll show you at the back why I find it positive. Here, storage all the way around, and listen, soft close. Very, very well made. The hinges are top quality ones. We've got on either side a big window and 2 windows, sort of slit windows. So if you're doing a pillbox sort of thing at the back. Let's go around to the back to admire the rear end of it. Nothing like admiring a rear end whenever you get the chance. Right, so what's clever here is this bit here, you can move it up and down. So if you want stack of space in the back here and not so much space up there, you can do that, or vice versa. You can push this up actually almost to under the storage compartments, and the bed won't be very big, but you can imagine what you can carry down here in its place. I mean, I dare say you could even get a motorbike down there. There's lashing straps in the floor. You can certainly get a couple of large bicycles in here. So this bit here, this thing here, which is it's only just been introduced, I think this is a major plus. I would say this is one of the things I sort of call a game changer innovation for motorhomes and campervans. So That's fine. So, you can see from here a little bit of the where the tent and the roof opens, and next to that you've got the skylight. Okay, so there you go. That is the Knaus Boxlife 600 ME Platinum Selection at costing only €90,000, and quite honest, you can get something from a respectable brand for much less than that. It's a matter of choice of what people are looking for. As always, I have to warn people not to buy Knaus Tablet. I've been warning this now for some time. At the same time, I need to point out that I think the company has begun to resolve its issues. It was a management problem above all, and those managers whom may have been the ones responsible, so I'm going to be very careful what I say, are no longer with the company. The company is now claiming that it was a victim, but I don't accept that for 1 second. I've got videos going back to 5 years, more than 5 years indeed, on this subject, so they can't hardly say that for 5 years they didn't know. And that's just me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.